Marsh, and for my presentation for the Polyglot Conference, I want to talk about a concept that I like to use for learning languages and teaching languages. The idea is that language has a fractal shape, being like the shape of a tree or rivers, and verbs are the seeds of that tree. Okay, so if we take a verb like I like, the vocabulary can branch out from the verb starting point, such as I like to speak Spanish, or I like to learn Spanish, or I like to practice Spanish. And we get the same effect with another verb, like I want to speak, I want to learn Spanish, I want to practice, or I need XYZ, and so on. I am, I have, I went to XYZ places, I saw XYZ things, and so on and so forth. So it also works in second person to create what I call instant conversation, because we take that same verb starting point in the second person form of a question. Do you like to speak Spanish? Do you like to learn? Do you like to practice? And so on and so forth. So taking this idea that conversation is like a tree and flipping it on its side so that the verb starting point is on the left-hand column and the vocabulary branches out toward the right, we get what I like to call a language matrix. Okay, so I like to speak Spanish. I want to speak Spanish. I want to learn Spanish. I want to speak, and so on. I need to learn. I need to practice. I need to practice Spanish with you. I want to practice Spanish with you. I need to practice more, and so on and so forth. As adults, we often think that we need to learn the language so we can speak it. But in reality, we need to speak the language so we can learn it. Mixing and matching building blocks on a matrix allows us to speak first and learn by speaking. So here's the same matrix in Spanish. Here it is in Portuguese. There it is in Arabic. And it allows for instant conversation. So the point overall is that language has a fractal shape, which is part of what makes it an organic thing that grows. And by tapping into its matrix-like, generative, mix and match nature, we're able to begin speaking right away. Thanks so much for watching. It's been a pleasure to be part of the Polyglot Conference, and I hope you enjoy.